We select pneumatic material racks or hydraulic material racks for feeding, leveling to ensure the sheet is flat and straight. Then we perform laser cutting to precisely cut the sheet metal. The sheet is automatically positioned to ensure it enters at the center during rolling. The sheet metal is conveyed through the transport platform and fed into the 4-roll rolling machine for precise rolling. Multiple stations operate simultaneously, greatly improving production efficiency. Automatic unloading via the unloading frame. Workpieces are transported by transfer carts for welding. A liftable straight seam welding machine is adopted. It adopts a vertical downward design to achieve high precision positioning. This fully automatic rolling and welding production line is customizable. To maximize efficiency, the quantity ratio of 4-roll bending machines to straight seam welding machines can be 1:3. It is ideal for factories with high output that pursue automation and high efficiency.